Hello and welcome to the Fit Foodie on Graciela TV. I'm your host, Graciela Barada Ventura. Thank you so much for joining me in another fabulous episode of the Fit Foodie on GTV, where I serve up a hot dish of this and that. Today I will be making a coconut chia pudding with strawberries. This is a really yummy dessert that you can make anytime, not to mention it's very healthy. Let's get started. So one of the reasons that this is a very easy dessert is because you make it right inside the serving cups that you're going to use. So here I just have some little fancy glasses that I like. You can use anything, but you want roughly around the size of a cup. So we're going to start with our main ingredient, chia seeds. So I'm doing 2 tablespoons of chia seeds per cup. Next, I'm going to be adding some whole coconut milk to each of the cups. So chia seeds are dehydrated, and once they are rehydrated, they become plump and they absorb all of the liquid that is put into them. And that's why they make a really great pudding. Next, I'm going to be putting 1 tablespoon of grade B maple syrup per cup. I really like the grade B maple syrup. You've probably heard me say that before, and that's because it's a lot richer and thicker than the grade A. The grade A is just really liquidy and I find no use for it. This one's so much better. So now we're just going to stir that up a little bit, and at each stage you kind of want to keep stirring it because they start to absorb all of that liquid and they start to expand. And they're already starting to expand, so they start to kind of clump together, so you need to periodically mix it up. And so the whole milk, the whole coconut milk really lends a wonderful creaminess to this. And of course, it being dairy-free is so much better for you. Okay. Next, I'm going to be adding some vanilla. You guys know I love my vanilla. I'm doing 1/4 teaspoon per cup. And this is my favorite, the Madagascar vanilla. Just mix that up a little bit. Don't mind if I do. Now I'm going to be adding just a dash of nutmeg per cup. Or 2 dashes, depending on how much comes out. Just a tiny bit for flavor because nutmeg is very fragrant and it's going to really add that yummy custardy kind of taste to it. Mix it up again. And as you can see, it's already starting to thicken. So we're going to leave these in the fridge to set for a little while, but as we prepare them, it's important to keep stirring so that they don't clump together, and then we get a nice smooth chia pudding. Okay, and last but not least for the pudding itself, just a dash of salt each. I'm using sea salt, of course. 1 more stir. And last but not least, I have some fresh strawberries here that I'm going to top the pudding with. So I'm just going to hull them and just slice them up over the top of the pudding. And some of these are going to sink, which is totally fine. You want it to be part of this lovely pudding. And you can use any fruit that you like. I really love strawberries, and I think it tastes really great with the strawberries and the nutmeg, this particular recipe. So good. And we're basically done with these yummy desserts. So all we have to do now is refrigerate them. They're best refrigerated overnight, but you can definitely get away with just leaving them in the fridge for a couple of hours to let them set. And they're going to become this wonderful gel-like pudding, and especially creamy with the coconut milk. So now I'm going to refrigerate these, and I'll see you back in a little bit. And just like magic, our chia pudding is done. Now it's time to taste it. Put a little bit of strawberry in there. And look at that, look how thick it has gotten. Oh my goodness, this is so yummy. And that whole coconut milk really lends a super creaminess to it. And you've got those very healthy chia seeds in there that have expanded and made it really into a yummy pudding. The strawberries are perfect. It almost tastes like a strawberry shortcake pudding. This is really delicious, and again, so easy to make anytime, and you could just store this in your fridge and have it any time of the week. So I hope you try this at home and enjoy it as much as I do. Thanks so much for watching The Fit Foodie on Graziella TV. And don't forget to like us on facebook.com/Graziella TV. And check out our website at fitfoodie.tv. I'll see you next time. Bye.
Graziella TV is brought to you by Angel Sanchez Pictures. And Be Unique Total Image Consulting, helping you become a better version of you.